Hi there. Today we're making a chocolate cheesecake for a very special occasion. The first thing I had to do is grease the spring pan, which everybody's familiar with the spring pan, and I have to use my food processor to make crumbs out of those wonderful Oreo cookies. I'm going to use 24 and make them into crumbs and then press it onto my spring pan. Now we're making the crumbs for the crust with the Oreo cookies. So I need to crush them in my food processor. So here it goes. And now that we have crushed the Oreo cookies in the food processor, and I melted the quarter cup of butter, I have to mix this in to before I put it in on the crust. There. Now I'm pressing the Oreo cookie crumbs after I put the butter in and blended it up at the bottom of my spring pan and on the sides. It takes a little bit of time to get it just the way I think I should have it. Now that I've spread the Oreo cookies and butter in my spring pan all the way around as evenly as I could, I'm going to put it in the oven at 325 for 10 minutes. Now we're beginning to make the filling for the cheesecake. And the instructions are to add a quarter cup of heavy cream, which I'm going to do right here in the measuring cup that I melted the butter. A quarter cup of heavy cream. I've put my chocolate chips in my microwavable bowl. And the chocolate chips I have put in are 2 cups and a quarter cup of the heavy cream, which I'm going to dump in now. And I have to microwave it until the chocolate chips are melted, which should be about 20, I think it says on the thing, it says 20 seconds. So we'll see. Now we're going to put the chocolate chips and the cream into the microwave. Now we're going to set the timer for 20 seconds. Now we're going to put the cream cheese in a mixing bowl, and you have to have 24 ounces of cream cheese. So I have 3 packages of 8 ounces. And so I'm putting that in, and then we're going to mix it until it's creamy and smooth. Okay. We're adding the sugar and the cocoa and beating it in until it's smooth. The noisy mixer, but what I'm doing now is adding 5 eggs, 1 egg at a time, and the rest of the heavy cream, which is 1 cup. And now that we've combined the eggs 1 at a time and the cream, we're going to fold in the melted chocolate chips and cream. It looks like we've folded in the chocolate chips and the cream, so we're going to pour the mixture now into the pan to bake. Chocolate cheesecake. It's going to bake for 70 minutes. Now our chocolate cheesecake is ready to bake, and here it is at 325 for 70 minutes. We're going to bake this now And it was really fun to make, not that challenging. I hope you try it. It was really fun. Bye now.